Hey guys, how's it going? Starpets promo codes top and best discount. So you can visit the official website of the Starpets, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and just type Starpets, right? And you can use the official website on the social media accounts like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram for any announcements or posts about promo codes. I prefer personally the official website because there is that, this is where you get the newest updates, and you can subscribe to their newsletter. They often send exclusive promo codes and discount to their subscribers. You can visit the popular promo code websites such as Retail Me Not. So you're gonna just type right here Retail Me Not. Or honey or coupons.com. Search for Starpets to find the latest promo codes and discounts. You can join forums and communities related to Star Pets. Websites like Reddit or specific Star Pets fan forums often have users sharing promo codes. By regularly checking these sources, you can stay up to date with the latest and best promo codes on Star Pets or for Star Pets. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for